What's going on, guys? My name is James Travis. This is part 1 of a 10-part series of 10 skills that adults should know. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate interest on a car loan, or any other type of loan for that matter. You're going to learn exactly how much you end up paying when you decide to finance anything. I'm going to show you how to use a loan calculator to figure that out. I've taught this to my best friend and showed him exactly how much he would end up paying for a car after interest. Be sure to watch this video all the way through because I'm going to give you a bonus at the very end. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to be looking into the website that we're going to use to calculate the interest on our car loan today. It's going to be called bankrate.com auto loan calculator. I'll leave the link below in the description. We're going to break this down between 3 cars, and I'm going to show you how different variables affect how much you pay overall for the price of the car. With our first car, I'm going to show you how every percentage point makes a difference in how much you pay overall for the car. For the first car, I'm going to choose a Nissan Altima. Alright, Nissan Altima normally goes for about $23,000, so that's what we'll put in. Let's say we do a normal 60 month. In fact, let's just get it as exact as possible. $23,260. And let's say if we get a 5% interest rate. With a 5% interest rate, you'll be paying $3,077 on top of the $23,000. Let's say if our interest rate was 1% less, so we'll change it to 4. And let's see if it drops from $3,000 to something else. It drops by a little bit more than $600. A 1% decrease in your interest rate saved you $600 for this same car. Let's say if we had really good credit, we got like an excellent interest rate, like 3%. Obviously, it's even less than that. You'll only end up paying $1,800 over the course of 60 months more for the price of your car. So let's look at that one more time. If we were just to go from 3%, which is $1,800, to 5%, our interest rate would almost double. That's why every percentage point matters when it comes to negotiating your interest rate on your car loan. Next, we're going to choose a different vehicle, and I'm going to show you how the length of the loan affects the interest rate. So for the second car, we'll pick something cool. Subaru WRX STI. Let's say if we got the Subaru WRX at a 3% interest rate, we'd end up paying on a 3% interest rate $2,820 over the course of 60 months. Now let's say if we shortened the loan amount to 36 months. You see that the monthly payment ended up going up. Our interest paid went down to $1,600. So the sooner that you can pay off the loan, the lower your interest rate will be. And if you scroll down, you'll see like how much the average auto loan for a new and used car is. So let's say if we went with, let's just go with the average, it's 5.1%. Over the course of 36 months, it will cost us $2,900. Now, if we extended this loan to a full 72 months, this will cost us double the price. This should be a no-brainer, but the longer that you're paying on the car loan, the more that you're paying for the car in interest. As you can tell, the principal doesn't change. The only thing that really changes is the monthly payment and the interest that you're paying on the car. So if possible, it's always best to pay off the car sooner. Plus, the longer that you can hold on to your car without having a car payment, the more money you can save. If you can get a good 7 to 10 years out of a car without sinking a whole lot of money to maintain it, you've got a great car. For our last example, we're going to do something a little dangerous. Let's say if you don't have any credit at all, and the car company tries to approve you for something also known as a subprime auto loan, which means they're going to take a risk on you, but they're also going to charge you a really high interest rate. I really recommend that you avoid these loans at all costs, and I'll show you why in just a second. For such a dangerous loan, we've got to pick an equally dangerous car. We're going to go with Ford Mustang GT, $35,355. Let's keep it at a 60-month loan agreement. But like I said, we don't have any credit, but we really want this car. But some shady dealership decided to give it to us at the interest rate of 15%. So going from 5.1% to 15% means that we're going to pay a total interest amount of, that is almost half the price of the car. Oh my God. Over the course of 60 months, if you take this astronomically high interest rate, you're going to be paying a grand total of $50,000 for a $35,000 car. It hurts me to even say that out loud. For $50,000, you could buy almost 4 cars. Please, 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 if any dealership tries to charge you an interest rate this high, just walk away. So let's say the interest rate is this high, what can we do to make it a little bit less? Like I showed you in the last example, the sooner that you pay off the car, the better. If you shorten the amount of payments, you're gonna have to pay a whole lot of money over a short period of time, but it will cut your interest rate in half. Save money, buy a car in cash, ride a bicycle, skateboard, walk, Uber, anything but paying this amount of money for a car. That's it, guys. In conclusion, you've learned how to calculate interest on a car loan so you know exactly how much you're going to be paying for your next car. I hope this helped you in the future. As promised at the beginning of the video, you can see how your future car payments will fit into the rest of the things that you have to pay for in life. In the description, I've left a link to a money management spreadsheet so you can see exactly how much money it takes for you to reach your financial goals. Be sure to stick around for our next episode, which is going to cover organizing our finances, which is going to be a step-by-step guide to getting our finances organized. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button. For more videos about financial literacy and how it applies to your life, please hit the subscribe button. In the next video, we're going to cover how to organize our daily finances so we can create a system where all the bills get paid on time, you automatically save money, and grow it automatically. I can't wait to see you there. Have a great day.